Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 611, and today's topic of lecture is the health benefits of eating yam. And yam is a root vegetable in the form of tuber, and in Nigeria it is a staple food, and Nigeria is number one in the world in production of yam. Today, it is roughly producing up to 40 million metric ton of yam. And if we calculate in dollar, its price will be almost 7 billion US dollar. And Nigeria is number one in global production of yam. And the second, third countries are Ghana and Ivory Coast. Actually, yam is staple food not only in Nigeria, Ghana, or Ivory Coast, but in whole of the West Africa. And in whole of the West Africa, per capita calorie, it gives 200 calorie if we calculate per capita for everybody. So it's very important staple food for Nigerians and for all the Africans. And in Nigeria, it is used in the form of boiled yam, fried yam, pounded yam. The variety of dishes are there which are produced out of yam, and it is very much liked by all of us, and it is very rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, especially the B group of vitamin like vitamin B1, B2, B6, B9, B12, that is folic acid, and vitamin A, C, D, and K. So it is very rich in vitamins, and it is very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds also. And the minerals are calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, and it is rich in fiber. This yam is very much well known now globally because of the presence of phytosterol, steroidal nucleus, and that plays very important role from medicinal or pharmaceutical point of view. And that phytosterol in yam is called diogenin. Diogenin is a steroidal nucleus. With sugar, it is called saponin, and without sugar, the A glycan is called diogenin, which is given here. This is a very important steroidal nucleus in the form of glycoside is found there, and this is actually steroidal saponin. So this your yam is very rich in steroidal saponin, and the second very interesting and important antioxidant is that is called allantoin. So this allantoin is a very important antioxidant which is isolated in a yam, and it is present in yam, and it helps to heal the wound and skin. That's why nowadays yam is widely used in preparation of skin care products because it is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory like folic acid, vitamin E, vitamin A, and that is allantoin. So because of these very important antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, it is having lot of medicinal importance, and the most important medicinal property is that it controls the fertility of male as well as post menopause women. If they take yam, it will actually maintain the female sex hormone, that is progesterone. So this yam is very good for fertility and maintaining the hormonal level in male and female both because of this phytosterol. And this phytosterol, diogenin, has lot of importance. That's why yam is considered as very important medicinal food. I call it medicinal food because of the presence of phytosterol, that is diogenin. And this diogenin plays everywhere very important role. It also maintains our brain cells healthy, and it will not allow brain cells to be inflamed, and also it is very much anti-cancerous because of this diogenin and other saponin. So once it is rich in saponin, it is very clear, and also in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. Because of this, your oxidative stress of body is drastically reduced. So in this way, your heart will be healthy, and especially it is very good to check or stop the formation of colon tumor. Those who are having regular habit of eating yam means for them the chance of getting colon tumor is very much less because of the presence of diogenin in it, and it is very friendly to our digestive system because of the presence of very good dietary fiber, and these fibers, they are very good to our gut bacteria, healthy, and in this way it helps for those people who are having some metabolic disorder of sugar in their blood, where sometimes maybe they are resistant to either insulin, or maybe enough insulin is not produced to convert glucose into energy. So this yam, since it is containing diogenin, saponin, as well as complex fiber, it is slowly releasing and breaking down into glucose. It stays for longer period. That's why, I mean, it is helping to reduce the weight also. So I am giving more emphasis on its medicinal value, and why nowadays yam became very popular globally because of its phytosterol, and it is diogenin, saponin, and it is very much helpful in enhancing the fertility. So here, yam, the botanical name of yam is Dioscora alata lin, and it belongs to family Dioscoriaceae. Number one, a cup of yam, that is 136 gram, has about 158 calories. It contains about 5 gram fiber, 19 milligram calcium, and 17 milligram of vitamin C. The vitamins are, is very rich in all vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B1, B6, B9, and B12. And your B9 is, that is folate, folic acid. And minerals are calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium. And it contains good dietary fiber, plus glucoprotein, that is water soluble, that makes yam very good for our digestive system. It's very healthy for our digestive system. And number two, yam promote fertility. This is very important medicinal value. I mean, it's very important medicinal value of yam. That's why nowadays globally yam is getting lot of popularity because of its fertility, I mean, for importance. So it promotes fertility, and it can enhance the status of your sex hormones like progesterone, that is female sex hormone, and testosterone, that is male sex hormones. So yam promote fertility because of the presence of phytosterol, and that phytosterol is steroidal saponin, that aglycone is diogenin. That structure I have already given. That is the main thing what it has been isolated from yam. and is potent to boost fertility. Yam extracts are getting popularity for natural sex hormone. So nowadays, yam is getting a lot of popularity because of its sex hormone, and diagenin in yam is used to treat sex hormone issues. It is also used to produce contraceptive and relieve the symptom of premenstrual syndrome. In general, yam can boost the status of sex hormones, and it is good for post menopausal for women. Number 3, good for diabetes. It may fight inflammation because of the presence of saponin and folate. May help to prevent cancer, as we know that it is containing anti-inflammatory. Diagenin is very much carcinogenic, and it can prevent carcinogenesis. Yam is anti-cancer food. It can drastically reduce colon tumor growth. And number 4, may improve digestive health. DIG, digestive health, and it contains soluble glycoprotein and enhances the digestive enzymes. So overall, yam is a medicinal food, and it can enhance the fertility of male. So with this, I will stop. So thank you very much for watching the lecture, especially in Nigeria now. All of us should know the medicinal importance of yam. It can boost your sperm count, your fertility. It can also help to maintain the status of sex hormones. So it is very, very important as a food, as a medicine. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.